our next topic is loop and iterations. So, till now we have worked with various conditions and we are familiar with various structure of Python. So, we are familiar with if-else condition. But if we took a small example where you have a person income and expenses data across 5 months in the form of a list and you want to compute his savings across these 5 months, you may think this can be done manually, but if you want to do the same work for 10 to 20 years time frame, in that case you cannot do in the similar way. In that case, where we need to repeat a preset of process n number of times, the concept of iteration comes in handy there. And as you are repeating the same operation multiple times, their loop and iteration works. So repeated execution of a set of statement is called iteration. Iteration in Python is implemented using for and while loop. Let's start with simple while loop example here. A while loop starts with keyword while followed by an expression. As long as this condition is satisfied, you keep running this loop. And once the condition is not satisfied, you will exit the loop. Okay, so we'll start with a very simple example. Let's create a pin checker which we generally have in our phones and ATMs. So what we will do, it's important because we need to know what we are doing. Let's create a pin checker which we generally have in our phones and ATMs. So what we really need here, we will create a pin checker which will match with phone or ATM pins, and if that pin matched, then the pin validation is successful, otherwise invalid input, and please try again. First we will take, as we already familiar, input from user by input function. So enter your 4-digit pin. Those who are familiar, ATM machine asks in this manner only. Enter your 4-digit, 6-digit pin. Then, while pin is not equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, while pin is not equal to this, then pin is equal to input. It will ask again and again input invalid input, try again. Otherwise, it will print pin validation successful. So understand this. There is a program in ATM machine which will ask user enter your 4-digit pin. If you are not entering or any user is not entering 1, 2, 3, 4 and it's entering any other number, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then invalidation input, please try again. It will be there. So let's run it and see. Enter your 4-digit PIN. Let's say it's 234. Invalid input. Please try again. So let's say he or she is entering. So as you already worked with ATM machine, it will work in the similar manner. So if we enter, yes, it will show PIN validation successful. Now if again I will run it and I'm saying I'm entering 1234, then see what will happen. So for 1234, it will not work. So it showed it only work for 1234. It will, if you will put in semicolon, it won't work. So this is how this program will work. And this is very basic iterations loop we have. It's while loop, it's very basic loop, and it's very basic program. And I'm ending my demo here. Please like and subscribe my channel if you are not done. Thank you for watching my video.